Goodbye, Florida. Goodbye, warm weather. Come on, let's go. What's up, guys? Good morning. It is our last day here for our Allure of the Seas vacation. We're here in our Airbnb right now, just kind of getting everything packed up. Hold on, I want to say hi to Mama Hokum. It was a really nice sleep. I had a great time. Hi, Mama Hokum.
Hey.
Excited to be going home?
Mixed emotions.
I know, that's right. It's, ugh.
Yeah, I'm excited to be home, but, you know, I don't want to leave here either because I don't want to leave this warmth.
I know. It's so nice and warm here. That's actually what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go down to the beach and just check it out and stick my feet in the sand one last time before we do have to go and pack up. So, because it's supposed to be snowing on Wednesday back at home, and I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready for that. No. It really has been just an amazing vacation, guys. On board the Allure of the Seas and in Fort Lauderdale, even though, you know, we had the mishap with the Airbnb the first time, this Airbnb turned out really great. So I wouldn't take any of it back. You know, all of it had its purpose and its plan, and I really believe that everything happens for a reason. And you know, that's what I was just telling them. Maybe we would have stayed in that Airbnb, and who knows, you know, something would have happened at the pool, or something would have happened to the hot tub, or I don't know, we would have overslept and missed the ship or something. It's just I don't know, I feel like it was definitely meant to be. But I wouldn't take any of it back. Had a great time. Great vacation. Oh wow. Look at, guys, there's a cruise ship. It's definitely a Royal Caribbean cruise ship. Now that is neat. I wonder which one it is. I wonder what's going on out there. Oh, nice. This is so nice. I will miss this. I definitely will miss this. Miami Beach has been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. Alright, guys, that's it. We're here. You guys want to do a once over with me? Just make sure we didn't leave anything. Airbnb was wonderful. The only negative complaint that I would have to say about this Airbnb, there were a couple forks that were dirty. But in the grand scheme of things, guys, if that's all that was wrong with this place, you know it's a good place. Beds were fantastic. We slept excellent. The shower was amazing. I felt so, don't even get me started on the soap. It really was nice. Okay, I don't think we left. Check this drawer. Nope, good to go. All right. Thank you, Airbnb. Thank you, George, the host of this place. Your place is amazing. If we're ever back in Miami Beach, guys, we're definitely staying here again. Like I said, go check out the Airbnb, like the condo tour. There'll be a link in the description for where you guys can stay here. And if you use that link, you might get some, maybe I can figure out a way to get you guys some money off. I don't know, we'll see. All right, we gotta get out of here. Gotta get up to the Tri-Rail station. Gotta get up to Fort Lauderdale Airport. I don't wanna leave Miami Beach, Mama. No, hasn't it been amazing? Have you had fun?
I have.
I'm glad, even though we couldn't go to Joe's last night. I'm glad that you had fun. I'm glad that you had fun. Yeah, we'll definitely be back, guys. We're not ending it though. We gotta get through this airport madness. Let's roll it. Let's roll it. Goodbye. Where did you get that?
On the ship.
Huh? Yes, look at it. Oh, I do like that one. That one's very nice. Very nice. All right, let's get it.
Oh, it's okay.
It's all right.
And then, yeah, do this one.
Yeah, and then do ours, John. I'll go.
here. We're getting our tickets. That guy, our Uber was, he was a character. He was funny, that's for sure. He was like, oh my god, I can't even explain it, guys. He was fun. The tickets are cheaper today. They're $3.75. I'm not sure if that's because it's a weekday or yeah. So weekday rate is $3.75. Weekend is $5. So just keep that in mind. It's even cheaper, you know, if you are flying out on Monday or whatever. So this is a really inexpensive way to get up to Fort Lauderdale. It was going to cost us, I think, almost 80 bucks to do an Uber all the way, and now it's going to be just under 50, right? Yeah. So you're going to save about 30 bucks. That's it. We're leaving. Bye, Miami.
You got me sleepy.
Sleepy head back there. Alright, here we go. Everybody got everything? Phones? Alright. Huh?
The train is coming.
Oh wow.
Just went in.
Oh yeah, there it is. It's coming. Wow, they could have closed. We almost died right there. Alright. We're here. Terminal 3, so we gotta go right over there. Oh my goodness, I tell you what, we're throwing this thing away when we get home. Boys, this thing is heavy, heavy. Alright guys, so it is that time. We do have to split ways with Peter and Corey. We've had an amazing vacation with them. Can't wait to do it again sometime really soon, I hope. Yeah, I think we can make that happen, guys. Listen, they have been a part of this vacation. They will be a part of future vacations, so make sure you do show them some love. Guys, we love you. We'll see you real soon. Bye. Oh, they're so much fun. I love them. They're our friends, and they've come along on this journey with us, and they made it that much more exciting and adventurous. Yeah. All right, let's check in.
Adventures, that's for sure.
Let's see. So our boarding time is 1:23. It's 12:26 right now. So I think we're doing pretty good on time. I don't think we're going to be rushing, but we're not going to have too much time to kill. So we're going to head in the airport, drop these bags off, and get checked in. Okay?
All set. That's fine.
All right.
Thank you. Which way? Left, right? That way? Thank you. All checked in. Got our baggage dropped. Gotta get through TSA. Oh, if that's TSA, we're good. Done. Out of here. It's 12:50, y'all. Perfect timing. So I think we're gonna try and find maybe just a fast food place, just get something quick before we get on the plane, because I did have a few bites of that chicken and waffles this morning from last night, but it was definitely not filling because we were on a little bit of a time crunch. So I don't know. We've never been in this terminal though, right?
Yeah.
I will say.
Second Shake, Pay Money, and Ice Team Brothers as
Yeah.
far as restaurants.
I will say the TSA here are
Fast.
thorough, but they are quick. They are quick. I mean, they were putting us through faster than I could get stuff off.
Yeah.
They really did do an excellent job, great job for, and that's what they need to be doing, you know. It is spring break, it's busy, people got to get where they're going. I feel like that's going to be too long. Yeah, it's going to be too long. I'm not sure here. We're having a rough time deciding what to get, if anything. I mean, there's some stuff that looks good, like this looks good, but I don't like Parmesan cheese, so can't do that. This here, I don't know, it's just, everything's like almost fantastic, and then there's one thing on it that I don't like. I'm too picky, I know, I'm too picky. These look good, but I feel like they're too expensive. These are like fruit bars, so that would give us some, you know, so I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know. I really wish they just had, like I said, like a pizza.
But they don't.
Yeah, most places do. I would totally go for some pizza right now. Ugh. So we did find actually a yummy salad. This is baby spinach with mango and candied pecans, and I think that's some mozzarella, and I forget what kind of dressing. I think, is it with balsamic? Yeah, that's balsamic vinaigrette. So, it looks super yummy. Then we got these really cool potatoes. All of this is on the Food Network. Mama Hokum got a, what is this, ham and Swiss? Yeah, she got ham and Swiss, and then just some pretzels down there. So, our last lunch here in Fort Lauderdale. I'm gonna cry. All right, there's our plane. Goodbye, Florida. Goodbye, warm weather. Come on, let's go. We gotta get in line. They're calling our group right now. It's 1:26. They're going on time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yep.
Thank you.
That's it. Bye-bye, Florida. Our last few moments in the Florida heat. I'm gonna miss it so much. Back on land. Great vacation. What a great vacation. I don't want to have to lug those bags anymore. Where's the porter service? Where's the porter? You see the porter service? Why couldn't they have that in Fort Lauderdale, huh? Why couldn't they have that in Fort Lauderdale? Mama, you look tired.
I am tired.
I am too. Oh, it's been a fun vacation, y'all. Very, very fun. Lots of excitement, lots of energy. There you are.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
All right, you guys drive carefully.
Thank you.
Thank you. Woo. All right, that's it, Mama. What's up?
I'm trying to get in here.
Here, you want me to back it up? All right. All right, Mama Hokum. Well, guys, I think this is where we're gonna end our vlog series for this go around. Guys, we've had an amazing 10 days total. 10 days out just having fun, taking you guys with us and sharing our adventures. So make sure you do tune in. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and head on over to my website if you want any group cruise information or just some fun cruise, you know, wearables. We've got lanyards and t-shirts and all that kind of stuff, guys. Keep a lookout. There'll be more cruise vlogs and more cruising videos in the future. On behalf of me and Mama Hokum, bye!